a scaled up paper airplane, and we're going to call it the Will It Fly number 4. We shall see if it works. Okay, so you're going to have to, you're going to have to throw it for me. And just throw it like a paper airplane at him. Okay? Doesn't have to be thrown too hard. Throw it, I would say throw it up a little bit like so, like that. So we have a little stall area. Okay? Point the camera down that way. We'll see. Ready? Set? Okay. Oh no! Woo! I'll try to bring it by for a... Woo! Oh no! I think I need a gyro on it. It's a little... It likes to roll. Okay.